Only Craftsman string trimmers come with the exclusive Speedstart technology, which offers 3 ways to start your portable power equipment. This system starts your trimmer without pulling, struggling, or wasting time. Plug-in Power Start is an electric starting system that plugs into your trimmer, cultivator, or edger, and then into the wall. Just push the button and a fitted bit instantly takes the hassle out of starting your equipment. Craftsman Power Bit Start uses a 2-sided fitted bit that fits into most power drills. Simply insert it into your drill and into the starter on your trimmer. Then just press the trigger on the drill and watch your trimmer start up immediately. The Power Bit Start comes with a threaded lock mechanism to prevent the drill from slipping or detaching. The third feature of Craftsman's exclusive Speedstart technology is the Incredipull starting system. Incredipull with MaxFire ignition features a spring-assisted starter, which means pulling the cord takes less effort and generates more spark for a quicker, easier start. Craftsman string trimmers, like the convertible 27cc curved shaft trimmer, are equipped with the exclusive Incredipull starting system with MaxFire ignition. Simply flip, prime, and pull. Or use the included plug-in Power Start to get working faster. That's a $29.99 value. The full crank engine provides more power and torque in a smaller package with less vibration. So you have more power and performance in a lighter, more balanced trimmer for more control and longer engine life. The dual-line hassle-free head has a wide 14-inch cutting swath and provides quick-line replacement to finish any trimming job faster. It can also hold thicker, longer-lasting line for even the toughest trimming conditions. All Craftsman convertible trimmers accept attachments to become a powerful edger, blower, pruner, hedge trimmer, or pole saw. So your Craftsman convertible trimmer can conquer nearly any job in the yard. Just remove the trimmer head and you're ready to edge your sidewalk, clear off your deck of debris and leaves, prune back overgrown bushes, trim and shape your hedges, or take down hard-to-reach branches. The Craftsman convertible straight shaft trimmer is Speedstart capable and accepts both the Power Bit Start and plug-in Power Start. It has the Incredipull starting system, a full crank 27cc engine, and attachment capability, all in a lightweight, compact design. This trimmer has a 16-inch cutting swath to finish the job faster and a deluxe guard to protect you from grass and debris. The straight shaft provides more cutting flexibility to reach under decks, swings, benches, or hedges with ease. If you're ready for even better performance, step up to the 4-cycle Craftsman convertible 29cc straight shaft trimmer. It has the same great features and capability as the 27cc straight shaft trimmer with the added benefits of a 4-cycle engine. This engine design delivers higher torque output, better performance, fewer emissions, and requires no mixing of gas and oil. Just fill up with the same gas you use for your mower or tractor. It's also Speedstart capable and comes equipped with the Incredipull starting system and P2 technology. Simply prime and pull for a fast, effortless start. The contoured D-grip handle provides a more comfortable grip to improve balance and reduce user fatigue. You can only find helpful technology like Speedstart on quality Craftsman equipment. So whether you need to trim or handle a variety of other tasks around the yard, look for the industry-leading innovations of Craftsman, America's most trusted brand of tools.